Welcome to our channel. If you want to cancel your Netflix free trial, subscribe through iTunes to avoid automatic charges, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad and tap on your name at the top of the screen to access your Apple ID settings. Step 2. Tap on Subscriptions to view all active and expired subscriptions associated with your Apple ID, including your Netflix trial. Step 3. Locate Netflix in the list of subscriptions and tap on it to view subscription details, renewal date, and payment information. Step 4. Scroll down and tap Cancel Subscription or Cancel Free Trial to initiate the cancellation process. Step 5. Confirm the cancellation by tapping Confirm in the pop-up window. Your Netflix free trial will be canceled immediately. Step 6. Review the confirmation message showing that your subscription will not renew. You can continue using Netflix until the trial period ends. Step 7. Check your email for a confirmation from Apple verifying that your Netflix subscription has been canceled. Save this email for reference. Step 8. If you change your mind, you can resubscribe to Netflix at any time through iTunes or directly on the Netflix website. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.